Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Friend with Benefits Amelia Harper masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the Amelia Harper masturbator itself. And this really does turn your desires into reality. This realistic model has a silky soft and a realistic feel as well. The interior is designed with a stimulating structure, which adds that extra level of stimulation, and the material bends and moves easily to your rhythm during penetration. So it's very comfortable to wear during use. Now, when using the Amelia Harper, we recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean after every use using either toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Friend with Benefits Amelia Harper masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.